interested in becoming aware of the nature of the mind and healing some of the trauma that I had experienced as a child. So that led me on a journey. I studied a lot of consciousness and I became a Kundalini yoga teacher. So it's really always been about the nature of the mind and the study of consciousness. And I then developed an energy healing modality and I wanted to show the efficacy of it. So I decided to go back for a PhD in natural medicine, which I did. And in the midst of all of that, my life took a turn.
My entire life, I actually always wanted to be a doctor. Every stage of my life, I ended up working with the medical profession. And even though I wasn't a doctor, I really love everything about the medical field. And I was practicing workers' compensation and Social Security disability, working with the injured workers. And then I went into medical funding. And at the end of the day, it's all about putting your body into balance.
When we created what we refer to as the Code Kit or the Modern Medicine Cabinet, we did everything very intentionally because we wanted to offer people a non-toxic, drug-free alternative to over-the-counter and prescription medicines. And this alternative in Code has 0 side effects, there are no contraindications, and it works synergistically with everything else that you're already doing to optimize your health.
It's in saline solution, which was more enthusiastic because I knew it was a tremendous delivery system that was simple and clean and clear. And that's how the body works.
And we put it into a digitized code. That's how we got the name. So that code is infused into the saline solution, and it's the code that does the healing.
When I found out about the Code product, I was very interested because I'm all into frequency and health, light, sound, and vibration. And I thought, wow, this is a product that captured the frequency. But I'm one of those people that I'm still a little bit skeptical, a little bit left-brained. I want to say, hey, does this really work? So I invited the Code girls out to my lab and we tested it, and what we found was amazing.
What Code is really the energetic blueprint of very specific ingredients, or in our case, molecular formulas.
This is giving the body exactly the blueprint that is needed to realign the intent and purpose of what your cells were originally designed to do and made for to optimize your health and your wellness.
This is why I am so excited to be doing what we're doing, because we're doing it in a natural way for our bodies.
The potential of Code Health is what really excites me because the possibilities are endless. And we are just in a very brand new area of scientific exploration.
And so there's very few products in the world where you get instant gratification. And I knew the fact that I felt chilled immediately was telling me that it was communicating to every cell instantly. So they had struck a nerve on their product. Very simple, just a saline solution with this imprint.
Frequency medicine is the medicine of the future. Well, that future is now, and Code Health is a primary example of that.